Who needs this much toilet paper? No, seriously, who does? And I'm going to tell you, you do. Because when you're prepping like we do, you look for new items that will help with your prepping storage. We came across this, and I think it is awesome. This is called the Charmin Forever Roll. It's new, it just came out, but this has 3 separate rolls in this one package. This is the refill roll. This also comes in a kit that you can buy, and we have a link for it in our description. The kit comes with 2 rolls of toilet paper, and it comes with a stand, so you can use it and set it up in your bathroom. But what this is why I'm so excited about this, is because this is equivalent to 96 rolls of toilet paper. And you know, we have those big old bulky Costco packs of toilet paper, which are awesome. We love those, but there's 30 rolls of those in one package. And you compare that size, which is so big, compared to this. This can be tucked away in a linen closet. You could roll it under your bed. You could take it apart for storage. And if you live in an RV, an apartment, or even a tiny home, this is a game changer when it comes to storing extra toilet paper. So Charmin did a good thing with this. We're not affiliated with them. I saw this video and I loved it. I thought that is an awesome idea for storage if you're a prepper. So as I said, this is equivalent to 96 rolls, which is awesome. If you buy the 2-pack, there's 64 rolls in that. And even that is an awesome amount. 64 extra rolls in just half the size. Come on, you can't go wrong. So this is awesome. I love it. I'm going to read you a tip for the day that I have regarding Charmin toilet paper. Okay. Your tip of the day is the biggest roll ever. Actually, it's not your tip. It's just some information for you. A fact. This is your fact of the day. The biggest roll ever made was over 9 feet tall. It was made by Charmin. Charmin created it in 2011. They created this roll for the World Toilet Paper Day. And this roll that they created weighed 2,000 pounds, if you can believe that. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this storage-wise. It's Ultra Charmin Ultra Soft Toilet Paper, so it's really good quality. I'm Belinda for Normal Prepping. Thank you for watching.